Today I have got a very good product review for it. This product had been in my wish list since long. Now to cut the long story short, I will show you the product. That's the product. That's a Cuckoo clock all the way from Black Forest. This has been gifted to me recently by my Di and Jiju. So thank you Tanya Didi and Kaushik Jiju for gifting me something which was in my wish list since long, or I would say years. So I'm very thankful to you both. And today in this video I am going to show how to do the installation of Cuckoo clock and how to set the time. Setting the time of these wooden Cuckoo clock is slightly different than the normal acrylic clocks. So please keep watching this video till the end and you will unveil a complete new experience. Let's quickly unbox the clock. So it's very easy. It doesn't have multiple pieces. It has a wooden piece which has to be attached, and there are strings which needs to be added at the bottom. So you just need to open it and add this pine hangings in the bottom. And if you see in this clock, if you go to the back side, we use C-type batteries. C-type batteries are a little thick batteries, and these are the batteries which I ordered from Amazon. So you just have to add those batteries and set the time. Now setting the time is a tricky part, so you need to be very careful. You need to just move the minute hand and make sure that it goes to 12, and the time it sets to 12, you will have to wait for the Cuckoo clock to come out and the music to play and stop, and only when the music stops you can then turn the minute hand again to set to the correct time you want it to set. So if you have to say go 4 hours ahead, then you have to repeat the same process 4 times and then make sure that is added correctly. It's very easy and it's so soothing to listen to this beautiful music which comes out of this clock. I'm really mesmerized with this cute Cuckoo clock singing the song. I hope you like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, I would like to request you all to please click on the bell icon so that you get notified for my upcoming videos. Thank you. Stay tuned and